Welcome to another video tutorial on Science eSolution. If you want a crystal clear concept on several important science topics, please subscribe onto my channel to get the latest updates. My today's topic is metabolism. This metabolism part, it will be consisting of two parts. One is what is metabolism and what is the basic concept of metabolism, and the second one is the regulation of metabolism. Today in this video tutorial, I will be concerned only about what is metabolism, what are its different types. That means the basic concept of metabolism. So let's get started. Every cell in our body, it consists of several thousands of biomolecules at different concentrations. These biomolecules are made of different biomolecules and constantly being converted into different biomolecules. This metabolism terms comes from a Greek word metabolismos. Metabolismos, which means change. So it is a Greek word metabolismos, which means change. As a result of metabolism, there is always a transformation of biomolecule from one form to another one. Let us take an example like carbohydrates. In our body, they are constantly being converted into glucose, and protein after digestion, it is converted into amino acids, and fats are converted into fatty acids. So let us take this example in detail. That means whatever food we eat, for example, this is the food we are eating. The food is changed into carbohydrate, is changing into glucose, proteins into amino acids, and fats into fatty acids. That means these biomolecules present in the food are constantly being converted into several other important biomolecules, and in between energy is also released. Here you can say energy is released in the form of ATP or NADH2 or FADH2. So which this energy is utilized for several important cellular processes, and also some waste materials. So let me denote it by this. Some waste materials like phosphates, sulfates, nitrogen wastes or carbon dioxide is also released. So we can see here, we can conclude here that as a result of metabolism, three things takes place, or the main purposes of metabolism. There are three main purposes of metabolism. The first one is release of energy, conversion of food for the release of energy for utilizing it in several important cellular processes. The second one is the release of several wastes, excretory waste materials. That means some waste materials, metabolic wastes, are also produced as a result of metabolism, which are excreted out. Example are nitrogenous waste, phosphates, sulfates, carbon dioxide, etc. Now this food molecule, they are also broken down into simpler molecules which will act as building blocks for different enzymes. They are proteins, building blocks for enzymes or hormones or other important things which are present in our body. So there are three main purposes of metabolism. One is production of ATP for cellular activities, energy for cellular activities, elimination of waste, and production of important building blocks for other compounds. So if you have understood this, please click on the like button. So we can say that metabolism is the sum total of all the biochemical reactions taking place inside the cell. All the biochemical processes taking place inside the cells, reactions, they are known as metabolism. Now this metabolism, enzymes also play a crucial role in metabolism. Enzymes, they regulate the rate of reaction in metabolism. They also speed up the reaction rate. Now whatever we are saying in metabolism, that one thing is converted into another biomolecule. Now this conversion is not a single step process. This is a series of steps which are known as metabolic pathways. Now these metabolic pathway, each of the metabolic pathway is catalyzed by enzymes which speed up the rate of reaction there and also regulate the rate of reactions. Now there are two types of metabolic reactions. Metabolism are of two types. The first one is catabolism. These are also known as catabolic reactions, or in these reactions, a larger complex molecule is broken down, degraded into simple molecules. One large molecule when is broken down into simple molecules, and in this process, energy is released in the form of ATP, that is known as catabolic reactions or catabolism. The good example for it is the glycolysis reaction, in which a 6-carbon glucose is converted into pyruvate. Pyruvate, which is a 3-carbon molecule. So this is degradation of a complex molecule into simple one, that is known as catabolism, and in this process 2 ATP molecules are released. Now the second type of metabolic reaction is anabolism. This anabolism is just opposite of catabolism. Here simple molecules, they get converted into complex molecules, and energy in the form of ATP is consumed in this anabolic reactions. The best example of it is formation of glycogen from glucose. Many glucose molecules assemble to form glycogen. This is a good example of anabolism. So two types of metabolism. Catabolism is breaking down of complex molecules into simple ones, and anabolism is making of complex molecules from simple biomolecules. Hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.